steep hills, cross hurdles, and can operate in extreme temperatures, roughly from minus 40 degree to plus 55 degrees Celsius, and can carry a payload of 15 kilograms. This multi-utility legged equipment is teleoperable and designed for various applications including perimeter security, asset protection, chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear warfare scenario. They can also be used for explosive detection and disposal, intelligence, surveillance and recognitions. We have so far inducted 100 such units in various units in our army.
অসাধারণ একটি দৃশ্য এই মাল্টি ইলেকট্রিক জ্যাকেট ইকুইপমেন্ট মিউল সঞ্জয় অভিবাদন জানাচ্ছে অভিবাদন মঞ্চের সামনে।
They are presenting a salute and respect to all VVIPs. Give them a